America's weirdest food combination. So, about to order at McDonald's right now. I'm pulling up right now. Let's see if the machine is working today. Alrighty. Y'all don't see me? Yes. I don't want the Oreos on the top.
Oh, you think that's Sunday?
Oh, actually no. Never. Just the McFlurry then.
Alright.
All right. Thank
So,
you.
Do you have to order McFlurry or?
No, just a McFlurry and a small fries.
Alright. Is that it?
That's all. Thank you. All right. So I got my stuff. I got the French. I'm gonna start with the McDonald, the McFlurry and French fries. So I've never had McFlurry in my life. I don't even know what it's supposed to look like. I googled it first because the one I've seen people do is I don't know. It looks like I don't know what it is. It looks like a milkshake or is it McFlurry? But this one has some Oreos in it, so I'm not sure how this is supposed to work because people dip it in it. So I'm not sure how this is supposed to work. But let's go ahead and give it a try. So I'm gonna start with the McDonald's. Let me taste the McFlurry first. This is crazy. First time, y'all. First time. A lot of Oreos. It's not bad. I'm not mad at this. I don't know how it's gonna be with the French fry dipping. So I gotta mix it, I guess, because all the like, it's so much Oreos. Cause I don't know. That's not what I've seen. But when I Google McFlurry, that's what I see. That's what Google says is McFlurry. So you're supposed to be like Oreo flavor. I said vanilla. When I'm like, is this the McFlurry? She said, yeah. And I was like, well, what does it have Oreos on it? Because the one I've seen people try is don't have Oreos. I don't know. All right, so oh fuck. That's why you shouldn't eat in your car. It's not bad. That's ice cream though. I don't know. Ice cream in a cup. It's like this. I don't know. It's supposed to be like that. Okay. I think it's mixed well enough. Alright, so I think it's mixed enough. So this is going to be crazy. That's so weird. I eat my French fries with ketchup like a normal person. Lord. We'll try it again. We'll try it again. I'm not mad at it. I mean, I'm not mad. It got a little continuing taste. You know, continue. It's weird, but I'm not mad actually. Maybe I'm not getting enough McFlurry. Okay, that's a big scoop. I'm not mad at it. Okay, so would I ever do this again? No, never. But I'm not mad at it. I'm actually not mad at it, but I'll never do it again. I think it's okay. I always thought that shit was weird. When I see people doing it, I'm like, what the hell? This is weird. What the fuck? I'm dropping this shit all over. But yeah, I'm not mad at all. So the next food that I'm trying is whipped cream cheese with hot Cheetos. Yeah, I went through so many fucking stores for this hot Cheetos. I went to 2 grocery stores, they didn't have it. I went to 2 gas stations. Well, the second one had it. I went to the gas station, they didn't have it. I went to CVS, they didn't have it. I went to a liquor store, they didn't have it. I went to so many places to get freaking hot Cheetos. Is it like being sold out so much? Is it selling out so much because it's so good? I don't eat it often, but I guess. So, let's try this. Hot Cheetos and that's a weird one. All right. This just might be the munchies. I like. This is good. Okay, little ASMR moment right now. All right, this I will do this again. I will do this again. I will, because this is good. This is really good. Wow, it's so good. Anyways, I don't mind this. I actually like this. This is not bad. This is actually pretty good. I mean, I really like hot Cheetos, and cream cheese is like, I love cream cheese already, so I would definitely do this again. I'm gonna do it again. Yeah. All right, so this one I think is so weird, and I am just not even like excited to eat it because it's so weird. Um, so I saw this online. So salt and vinegar potato chips. So we're gonna put it inside of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I don't know. I love peanut butter and jelly. I love that sandwich. It's so good. Salt and vinegar chips. I didn't like it before, and I've grown to like it. But I don't know, with the salt and vinegar chips inside of it, that's going to be weird as hell. So let's go. Let's just say Americans come with the worst flavors, the worst food combination. That is just so weird. You know, like, I don't know. That's just my opinion though. America come have the worst taste. Sorry, not sorry, but you guys really have the weird ass taste. Like, especially when it comes to mixing sweets and savory. Some other stuff just don't add up. Like, adding cinnamon flavor to duck, which I had before one time somewhere, taco place. I was just like, yo, like, no, that's not okay. That's illegal. Like, this should be a crime. Should serve federal time for this, because it's just some flavors just can't add up. They just don't go together. They don't. All right, let's start. Let's try this. So Here I have my peanut butter and bread. I'm using whole wheat bread because that's what I have at my house. All right, let's open this. All the air. Shit. Lord. So, here's my jelly that I'm using. I'm not someone who eats like those kind of stuff that often, so that's why I just have random any type of brand. But okay, so I added my jelly. That's a lot of jelly. All right, so I got my jelly on my peanut butter. So let's add. There's two people over there. Two guys, two white guys. There's let's add the chips on top. Oh God, this makes me wanna already. Ugh. I mean, I can see the crunch. Like, I feel like if it was like a ham and cheese sandwich, you add that to it, that would be good. The crunch, you would add such a good crunch to it, and it would just be good. But with just peanut butter and stuff, it's just like this is it, y'all. You see it? All right, let's add the other top, and I want to bite where I can take everything. All right, I need a babe. You hear that? All right, go ahead. Okay, I'm kind of silly sometimes, all the time, but let's go. I'm actually not excited to take a bite of this because I just feel like it's going to be nasty. I don't know, because it took me a while to like salt and vinegar potato chips. I don't even potato chip. Honestly, in general, I'm not a big fan of. It's not something I would just go buy and like sit and like eat and like enjoy it. Just no. I usually like potato chips with a sandwich, but like not that type of sandwich, like a ham and cheese, But here we go, America. Oh God, I don't even want to do it. All right, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Oh fuck. Next week. All right. Oh my God. Who invented this? I'm sorry for taking shit earlier before eating it, but maybe the chip is not the best. Maybe the chip is not the best because I'm gonna take another bite and I actually fucking like this. What? No. It does have a lot of vinegar, but this is good. Hey, this is good. This is good. Mm-mm. That's how you swallow. I have a dirty mind. A real dirty mind. But I'm a good girl. A real good girl. Alright, I think that's enough now before I get a little out of fucking here because I know I can. Y'all, this was bomb as hell. Out of all three combinations, I think that I like honestly, I think it's a tie for me between this, the sandwich, and the hot Cheetos and cream cheese. I don't know. I like all three. Which one? Okay, which one would I do again? Definitely the cream cheese and hot Cheetos. And of course, I would definitely do that again. I might do it again. I just might. Cause that's, I don't know, man. That's good. Would I do the McFlurries again? Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Will I might. I would. I don't know if I want to do this again, but I'm not a unhealthy eater. I like to eat healthy most of the time. So I may not. It just depends. I might do it out of, I don't know. I don't know if I would. But if I were to try something again, it would probably definitely be the hot Cheetos and whipped cream. But I'm gonna enjoy this McFlurry. Yo, this is the first time I'm having McFlurry since I've been in this country. Anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I'm gonna make more videos like this. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more weird shit like this because I'm weird and you're probably weird, so let's get weird together. All right, I should probably stop now. Ooh, Oreos in my teeth. Oh, Lord, oh, don't look at me.